So how's the pace, sir? Okay, so running backwards is quite a task. It's not that easy. Let's talk about the benefits of running backwards. Good morning everyone. So yeah, आज है running day. Run पे जाएंगे. So what I was trying to do today was to do something different. So there's a runner called सार्थक मलानी. तो कल काफ़ी सारे मैंने वीडियोस देखे एंड उसके ही रन्स बैकवर्ड. वो बैकवर्ड रनिंग करता है, बेयरफुट रनिंग करता है. तो आई थॉट लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई because there's a lot of benefits of running backwards, and it's really good for your knees. Load काफ़ी कम load पड़ता है, and I just wanted to experience it once that how does it feel. So let's see. Yeah. Our favorite place, और यहाँ पे we'll try first backward run. I'm not sure कैसा होगा. Not thinking about the pace. I'm just thinking of doing at least for a kilometer. अगर pace अच्छा रहा, ज़्यादा difficulty नहीं हुई, so probably I'll run longer. But yeah, let's aim for at least a kilometer backward running and let's see how it goes. First backward run. Let's go. Okay, so doing our first backward run for a kilometer, inspired by Sarthak Malani. So how's the pace, sir? Okay, so as I said, we have already run a kilometer in 7 minutes. I think ठीक है यार, quite good for our first attempt running backward. Okay, so I am thinking of doing another one, another kilometer, and then probably we'll do our normal front run for a kilometer or two, and then we'll head home. But yeah, it's quite fun and relaxing and different and awkward as well, because since you've been running ulta, there's a lot of things which you have to manage. You have to obviously manage your breath, your posture and form, and more than that, you have to see backwards quite a lot of time just to check that if you don't bump into people and don't fall. So that's a couple of things, but I think that's manageable, and I think that is going to improve that is going to improve the more I'm gonna run backwards. But yeah, it's fun that way. So let's talk about the benefits of running backwards. So the very first one would be less knee stress. So obviously, in comparison to forward running, the load on your knees is very, very less, and I can feel that. But the second benefit is that you are targeting different muscles here. You're working more on your quads and calves, and I can feel that stretch in my quads and calves. So that is there. Third one would be better coordination and balance. So obviously, the connection between your brain and body improves a lot. Since you are running backwards, you constantly try to maintain your balance and also try to see behind. So that way, your brain and body connection becomes sharper. And the last one mainly would be, and the important one would be, it helps improve your running posture. Your posture improves a lot when you run backwards. You start paying attention to your strides more, and that way you are going to improve your posture as well while running. Okay, so running backwards is quite a task. It's not that easy जितना लगता है, because मुझे feel हो रहा है अपने quads और calves में, and how much of work I need more. Okay, so back to our forward running. We did 2 kilometers in total. मज़ा तो आया. Like, you feel very less pressure on your knees. वो तो है, I felt that. But I think I have to improve a lot in terms of I think speed, posture, but वो धीरे धीरे होगा. Like I cannot expect all of that in my very first attempt, but that's okay. I guess I have to keep trying, and maybe then I'll be able to improve it. But let's go. So yeah, we are done with our runs today. As you must have seen in the clip, मैंने एक आंटी का clip डाला है. So I was doing warm up और एकदम से मैंने देखा कि आवाज़ कहाँ से आई. I thought somebody played music, but then I saw that she was actually playing flute. And at this age, she's playing flute, following her passion. So inspiring to see such thing. मज़ा आ गया वही देख के और इतना बढ़िया बजा रहे थे. So yeah, on that note, see you tomorrow. I think tomorrow हमारा first year class like रहेगा. I don't know what are we going to do. Maybe animal flow या फिर agility. Not sure. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Cheers.